Hello guys, for another video. In today's video I will show you what is it the best hosting company in 2021 and how you can choose the best one for your business. First of all, there is a ton of hosting companies on the internet, but not all of them give you the best quality and the best services, because the users of your site might not see what the hosting you are using, but they can leave your site immediately if your site was slow, and the Google give an advice to creators that not across 2 seconds and load time of the site. And because of that choice you made at the beginning, choosing your hosting, you may lose a lot of users and clients. In this video I will show you the best hosting provider that have 5 special features on their services, because the hosting of your site must be fast and flexible to give the user the best experience when he's scrolling your site. So the hosting I talking about is Bluehost, and I will show you why we choose Bluehost over other companies. So let's get started. The hosting must support content delivery network. It's optimize the speed of the site and also protect your site from hacking, and Bluehost offers you this service on your cPanel for just one click, and there is a lot of hosting companies don't have these features. The hosting of your site must be compatible with WordPress, and WordPress itself recommend Bluehost as the best hosting for WordPress websites. The hosting of your site must provide a free SSL, and we all know the importance of SSL on websites. It's transfer HTTPE to HTTPS, and if you don't know what is it the HTTPS, there is. If you want to create an online store with WordPress, the Bluehost is the best option for you, because Bluehost have a simple cPanel and easy to set up, so you don't need to thinking about complicated settings on your cPanel. You just focus on your store and the important things like advertising, shipping, etc. And finally, Bluehost was recommended by WordPress itself. This means that WordPress recommend this hosting because it's fully compatible with it. Now let's sign up to Bluehost. First, click the link in the description to benefit 65% on your plan. After, click at Get Started, choose your plan, type the domain you want here, Now you can sign up with your Google account, or you can enter your information here. After, choose your hosting period. The longest period you choose, the lowest price you will pay. After, deselect all these options because it's not necessary. And click at Submit. You will see this page. Click at here, and after, install WordPress with one click. After, you can sign up your site and customize it the way you want. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.